Say Mr. Ball and Mr. Hogan there running to 99. Well, we've got the slightly inclement weather. We had a little bit of rain over the lunch break there, so we had a little bit of a break to try and hope it's going to clear. We don't know if it's going to still be coming along. They're underway, and it is the champion. Willie leads the way, and unfortunately Mr. Hogan, a little bit out of practice. Show down the bottom there. Hopefully one of our photographers caught that. And all of a sudden the rain is now coming down quite heavily. So Mr. Woolley with a huge lead. Has a bit of a twitch coming out of Graham Hill. To rest on the marker. He's clearly not psyched out by the weather by quite a few people. But yeah, I've got a feeling I know that will be a confirmation on the screen as they splash their way around.
Powering away. It's going to be very comfortable short. Does indeed. Flux can't match that sort of time, does it? Even beat his own TV, unfortunately. The back market to navigate your way around, and then it's going to be checkered flag time at the end of lap 9.
Clear away getting with the challenge in the lead there, isn't it? Well, he's not having it all his own way this time, that's for sure. He's definitely getting a hard time there. Sure, but Campbell getting a hard time for him.
It looks like Derek Cripps is also AWOL there as well. So few people missing, unfortunately, Pete, but that leaves the way clear for Hogan and Woolley to hopefully have a straight battle. We should have seen Damien Lee would like to get his oar in the lava. Second row, straight past on Calvin, and it's going to be Kev Woolley leading the way. And it is going to be the 2024 Calvin Paul Hogan Trophy. Up there. Over the line there, right to the break for a right man. I'm going to get confirmation. I think Andy Wales is back out there as well. It's good to see Andy out there, the reigning MD champion he is currently.
Yeah, I think he did the one type role in the team.
Yeah, that's right.
Quite smooth though. Like one he's got ready.
He will, and on top of that, he's the leading problem, so